What's up, guys? Today we will be unboxing the WRM V9, the newest cube from Moyu. So let's unbox it. The plastic wrap is not easy to get off. Not at all. Oh, weird. Really, Moyu? The same design. Hard to open, so we're just gonna get the plastic off and the case off. Okay, now that we got that deal dealt with, so we got it in UV, so whoa, that is a lot better than I was expecting. It turns so smoothly. First of all, I don't got anything to say but good things. I want to make sure no, on the UV this is probably the closest thing that I've made to this was the GAN13 with the UV. This UV doesn't feel anything like it, but it feels good still. So I'm gonna tell you guys, this is my current main, the VanguardT. I feel a lot more control on this than I feel on this, but I ain't the biggest fan of control. I'm more of someone who likes speed on a cube, and this has just the right speed so far. So let's do corner cutting, 45. That might be hard, but oh my gosh, the magnetic assist. I thought it was big, but the magnets are just strong, which is something I like. So I'm gonna do a solve on both of these real quick. I do use a weird scramble though. Same scramble, so let's start with a VanguardT. These are easier scrambles than most scrambles. It's just to get it out. I'm not sure I'm gonna get lucky. Okay, let's solve. Nice, that was a little better. This cube might actually have potential to be my new main. If you don't know, I think this is Luke Garrett's main. He used it at the competition that I went to. In the last competition I went to, I have a whole WCA profile. So that's nice. Even though that people that don't know my first and last name are gonna learn it, because the profiles always say your first and last name. But we're talking about this cube. So sorry guys, we did a weird thing where that stopped. So but we're gonna look at the accessories. I almost forgot about that. The average Moyu, so a tutorial thing on how to use the cube. If you've ever had a Moyu cube, I think you know. So I don't think we gotta really get into its accessories until we get to the review. So overall, it's a really good cube. And I think that this cube is a great cube that I don't even think the next GAN releases are probably going to beat. Because I don't understand how do you make a cube that's just like the GAN13 but still has the speed of my main, which is something I really want. I always wanted a cube that's a little faster and just perfect. And this was basically the feeling of the cube and the turning that I imagined. So I'd say this is probably the best cube that I've ever unboxed. But we'll find that out in the review and probably some comparisons. The VanguardT and the WR comparison are probably going to happen one day. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And with all that in mind, this is GDT Cuber signing off.